My name is Thomas Huibrechts and I'm here working on a proof of concept called DigiTrans, where we are going to develop a system where we can connect different data sources to enhance further decision making in transport companies. Currently I'm working as a PhD student at the University of Antwerp at the ID Lab group, and in my spare time I'm busy with programming and with electronics. I've set up a small community club for students at our university called Imagine Lab, where the students can work on different projects outside the hours of the courses at the university.
I'm Valentin Carlan. I'm a PhD student and researcher at the Department of Transport and Regional Economics at the University of Antwerp. My colleagues and I have a lot of contact with the industry, with the business. We can see a lot of problems that are told to us, but we can see also a lot of opportunities. 1 year ago I met Thomas from ID Lab, and together we decided to participate in the hackathon just for a fun activity, but apparently things got very serious and now we are trying to put a basis for a startup.
The nice thing about this project is the multidisciplinarity. What you see is that I'm an academic person, but there are also companies involved. So the important thing is that we are not the academic people just looking into far future, far-fetched ideas, but we are with our feet on the ground. We see what is happening in practice. And not only that, within our university, we work together with engineers, but also with economic-oriented people. So we see where the money is, but we see what the technology can do. And bringing all of that together will make a difference. We will be able to solve the problems in such a way that it is profitable as well. So that's the cool thing about this project.
So this is quite a unique and new experiment also for us in collaborating with the industry. We have had a lot of collaboration with industry on paper, let's say, on theoretical conceptual issues. But in this case, we are really developing solutions together with the industry, which afterwards are also having the purpose of being sold to the industry and being taken up by the industry. So this is a real example of real-life integration, not only within the sector, but also between academia, the business, and the reality, so real life.
Immediately after the hackathon, we wanted to bring our solution to the market. We took 2 steps. The first step was to apply for a funding from the university, from the Industrial Research Fund, which we got, and we were also lucky to get into the Started at KBC program. Started at KBC, it's an incubator for startups. Here we benefit from a flex desk. Here we can follow courses from how to bring the perfect pitch to the market, but also how to build a business model. The program here is very flexible. We can have meetings with the companies, but we can come here to work basically whenever we want. This way, the companies that we are building solution for can mind their own business, day-by-day business, and we can bring solutions that we build here directly to them. This way we introduce innovation on the move.
We have discovered that in logistics international supply chains there is a lot more collaboration needed than is the case today. So we notice that integration is strongly needed, partners need to interact with each other. The problem is that the current business models are not made for that, and especially the digital tools are not used sufficiently.
Much of companies have a lot of data but don't know how to provide it or get money out of it. And what we want to do is make the bridge between those two.
One of the big problems with companies is that they want to make sure that other companies buy only their products, or on the long term that they keep their products in the business. And the way they do it is a methodology called lock-in. So they make sure whenever you buy something from them that the future product you need will only be available from them. And that's something we also want to try to avoid with the things we are creating. We want to make everything compatible. We want to augment the current state of the art or the current state of practice in those trucks with data that is available all over the world. We will bring people together. We will try to work to this nice future where new applications are possible because we bring companies together and make it profitable for all of them. That's the main idea.